In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive link to share files step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. If the file you want to share is already in Drive, you can simply find it in My Drive. If it isn't there yet, click the New button in the top left and choose either File Upload to add a single file or Folder Upload if you want to bring in a whole folder from your computer. This ensures everything you need is available in Drive before you share it. To keep things organized, let's create a new folder. Click New Folder, give it a clear, easy to recognize name so you'll remember what's inside, and confirm to create it. A meaningful name helps when you're sharing with others later. Now open the folder you just created. Inside that folder, click New again and select File Upload. In the file picker that appears, choose the exact file you want to share and confirm. You'll see an upload indicator. Wait until it finishes so you know the file is fully available in Drive. Once the upload completes, click on the file to select it, then click the Share button. This opens the sharing window. Here's where the actual link sharing happens. Look for the General Access section. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only specific people you add can open them. To create a shareable link that works for anyone you send it to, change this setting to anyone with the link. When you switch to anyone with the link, you can also control what people can do with the file. For most cases, Viewer is the safest option because it lets people open and download without changing your content. If you need feedback directly in the file, choose Commenter. Only use Editor if you absolutely trust recipients to make changes. With the access set, click Copy Link. Drive will copy the shareable URL to your clipboard instantly. You can now paste it into an email, a chat, a document, or wherever you need to share it. As a quick tip, you can test the link by pasting it into a private or incognito window to confirm it opens as expected. Finally, click Done to close the sharing window. That's it. Your file is uploaded, properly permissioned, and ready to share with a link. If you're working with multiple files, keeping them in that folder helps, and you can repeat these steps for each file as needed.